Good morning, my friends. How are you all doing? This is Veena here. At RR Nagar in Bangalore. Um, this is one of the site which my dad bought when I was site. I won't say he had registered in the society in 1982. So you can guess what was my age. I was I didn't even enter the kindergarten that time. So that was when my dad registered then, and he purchased this land, and it was given to us in 1994. Okay, and after that lot of cases was going on. This is known as butter layout. Everybody in Bangalore is very familiar with this layout. This litigation has been going for quite some time now, and in 2013 or 14, I don't remember exactly the date, the High Court has given us the permission to construct on this land. It has given us, or had given us, the rights to construct on this land. And but still the people from the society and the landlords, they had been putting cases against each other, and people have been fooling us, telling this is the year like this, like that. We were not aware of the situations over here, and recently we came to know the whole, what you say, the whole funda behind the whole thing, how they were fooling us. And all the members of the society, we came together and we said we'll start constructing the land all together, and we did. The poll, we went to all the people possible, from DCP to ACP to the joint commissioner to the corporate municipal MLAs, each and every person you name. They said go here, go there, and we have done, and we have informed each and everyone, and everyone had given us assurance to start construction. But still, when we started adhering to this thing, they said we have given you the full support, you could construct, and we have done that. We started listening to their words and giving adhere to their words. And when we started construction, the police backfired us. They didn't allow us to construct over here. They started telling this status is there, that status is there. When the whole thing was, it was not again on the each individual person. It was never on us. It was on some XYZ. They have simply filed the case just to get a status quo, so that people won't be able to construct on this land. This is what's been happening till now, and this has been happening, going on happening still. And today, what has happened, you can see this there. The person has constructed the whole layout over there. I mean, he had constructed the whole house over there, and his sister was there inside the house. And today, some mafia had come, and they had they had got so many JCPs and so many mafias, gundas, everything, and they demolished around 4 to 5 houses which were constructed over here. It's a loss of almost 22 lakhs for each person over there. And they come at the wee hours of the morning, around 6 to 7 o'clock, and they've done all this needful work. Yes, my friends, isn't this what is happening over here? When the land is ours, when it has been given to us, how can a person sell it to somebody else? This is what has happened. 2 days prior, somebody by name Naresh has taken it. Yes, he has purchased it, stating around 27 crores it's there in the deed program. How can anybody sell a land which is already registered to the members? You can see all the flaws that is going on over here. It is registered to the people. The people are not aware that is being sold to somebody else. Some XYZ saying is a landowner. How can he be a landowner when he has already sold the property to some 150 members over here? How can he call himself a landowner and sell it to somebody else? This is what been happening. And those people have come yesterday and they created a havoc over here. And today in the wee hours of the morning, see what they've done. You can see the situation of us. All of us are here. All of us are devastated. It's not 1 or 2 years we have spent on this. It's 25 years plus we have been struggling to on this property, and you all know how difficult it is to buy a property. Seriously, I don't know what is happening. It's time people start reacting against it. People with money are taking too much of advantage, which power, instead of helping the common man to solve his problem. They are just making money over there, selling to XYZ. We need to stop these people. You can see what is happening. All these people haven't bought site today to yesterday to end all. It is from 25 years they have bought. And look at the plea now. And who's coming to help us? Nobody. Everybody, when we approach them, they say, yes, we are there, we'll help you. Nobody is coming to help us. Circle as much as you can to how many of you around your circles, my friends. This has to go viral. This is too much of this thing what they're doing. Thank you, my friends.